All right, so pretty much this is the this is the switch closer to the panel. This is the live one, that's the ground, that's the travelers, right? So, and then I'm gonna go over here. The red one is the live one. The black one is the neutral or the load. No, the load, I'm sorry, the load. And this one over here is the neutral. And this one is the traveler. And then this is the ground. So pretty much the way it's working right now, you see that? Nothing turns on, but it clicks. However, if I click this one, nothing happens either. But if I leave it up, then this one works. You see that? But if I put it down, it stops working.